Hey, gorgeous humans! Welcome back to my channel, where we celebrate the fabulous, the floral, and the fierce. And today, we're talking nails. Not just any nails. We're talking summer nails designed so cute, they'll make your fingers feel like they're sipping a pina colada poolside. So, here's what you get in this little bundle of nail joy by ZJHGDR. First up, 24 glorious little pieces of art. Seriously, sunflowers, on French tips. I nearly cried. You also get a double-sided jelly sticker. Think sticky, but make it fashion. A nail file to shape your dreams. And this wooden stick, which looks innocent, but is secretly a cuticle ninja. Okay, applying these nails is easier than trying to pronounce acrylic before coffee. Just choose your size. Buff the nail bed like it owes you money. Stick the jelly glue on. Press for 30 seconds while thinking happy, summery thoughts. And boom! You've got summer nails designs that say, I brunch with flamingos, even if you actually brunch on your couch with Netflix. Now listen, jelly glue is cute for short-term commitment, like a weekend wedding, or a date where you're not sure if he's gonna ghost you. But if you want these babies to survive laundry day or a wild snack bag battle, use your own nail glue. Trust me, your nails will thank you. Do you want to feel like a flower goddess? Like your fingers just did yoga in a sunflower field? These nails are E.T. And let's be real, press-on nails are the MVP of low-effort, high-glam beauty. No salon, no drama, no oops, I smudged it 5 seconds after painting. So, if you're into summer nails designs that are affordable, reusable, and guaranteed to make people stop mid-sentence and ask, where'd you get those done? Then, honey, this is your sign. Links in the description. Go grab yours before they vanish like my willpower near chocolate. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your nails you love them. Drop a comment if you'd rock these sunflower vibes, or if you just need help picking your nail size, I got you. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay floral, and keep those summer vibes alive. Sunflower peace.